The best thing about these treats is how simple and fun they are to make. I love baking with my daughter, and these are simple enough for kids to be able to help in the creating. You will need brownie mix, white candy melts, and candy eyes. Bake the brownies as directed. Cut your brownies into rectangles. Melt the candy and pipe it onto your brownies in a back and forth motion across the entire surface to form the mummy's cloth. Drop the eyes in the candy and press gently, and then place the brownies in the freezer to cool. Make sure to continue to check out the next few days for more fun Halloween treats. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.